One of the hard things about being in Vietnam is the traffic and the traffic laws. Right now I'm walking on the road because there's so many motorcycles parked on the sidewalk, and many people here, they run the red lights, or they don't stop when there's a red light. So you got to be careful while you're walking along the road or crossing the road in Vietnam. And this isn't even that bad. I'm in Hoi An, but Ho Chi Minh or Saigon and Hanoi are much worse when it comes to traffic laws and accidents. Of course, it's not a good idea to be vlogging and talking and walking on the road. So yeah, it's a bad idea, but I just wanted to give you guys a clip of what it's like walking in Hoi An, Vietnam, on the road here. I always have to watch my back and watch all around me, like a 360-degree view. Oh, check this guy. This guy's got like a bunch of like ducks. He's got like a bunch of ducks, and there's a car coming behind me. Yeah, you can see like all these cars to my left passing by. Sometimes you can get hit by their side view mirrors, so that's another hazard. That's another danger. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.